Hell, it's a little guy, but a topwater bass is always fun. When you're not in a hurry to find fish, a popper, it's hard to beat.